Hey everybody, it's my Big Joe. Thanks again for joining us. I just want to do a quick video, talk to you a little bit about our sticky Fixx. This is kind of our flagship product. It is our most popular. It's kind of what put us on the map. This is our sticky Fixx barbecue sauce. So in 2021, we were fortunate enough to win the American Royal Sauce Contest, which voted this sauce the best sauce on the planet. It scored a 180 in the tomato mild category, and it's been a staple in many people's pantries ever since. It's a great sauce if you want to use, just a little bit of sweetness. There's a touch of heat, a little bit of tanginess from the vinegar. It's kind of a good all-around sauce. I do recommend using this as kind of a finisher, a bit of a glaze on the end. It works well as a dip, but I would not use it as a marinade. There's a lot of sugar in it. So if people ask me all the time, would you use this on steak? If you're a fan of barbecue sauce on your steak, go ahead and use it. Just don't marinate in it. You really shouldn't marinate with a lot of barbecue sauces. But this is great. It goes great on beef, pork, chicken. We use it on everything. Kids love it. Adults love it. It's got the right mix of sweet and heat for you. So make sure you give it a try. Thanks. We'll see you again soon.
It's now officially called the best barbecue sauce on the planet, and it's from right here in Edmonton.
We were just stunned. We always want to do well, but we were really blown away that we won the overall best barbecue sauce on the planet.
Motley Que earned the title at the international competition in Kansas City. The company also won Best Mild Tomato Barbecue Sauce. And this was their 5th time competing, but first time earning such a huge praise.
And the American Royal is, the World Series of barbecue. So it's really exciting to have this kind of credibility here in Canada, where we're working to propel the culture of barbecue.
They say that culture is all about togetherness, family, sharing recipes, and of course, adding a little zest to your food. They hope to pick up their trophies when they travel to Kansas City in September.